No offense, but this is a trillion offense. We're glad to have you back for another day. And now, we're going to have a look at some interesting information. The Bitcoin market's pricing can be seen here. We're still losing money, and that's something we're trying to figure out. There's no longer a basis for the assumption that Bitcoin will plummet. On a day chart, Ethereum appears to be down 7.5%. Charts show that Bitcoin has lost 4% of its value. Bitcoin is down 10% over the past week, while Ethereum is down 13%. Also, as can be seen from the month chart, Ethereum is continuing to rise, while Bitcoin is at a low point, where it is 2.6% lower at the Dreadful Classic and 52% higher on Monstrous. That will alter tomorrow, as we will continue to decline from the gains we have made. This is exactly what it will look like in a bad chart when the market is 14% down at 6% down in an hour, chart 0.3% down. For the majority of cryptocurrencies, we can see a month-by-month recovery on the chart right there. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and we'll take a closer look at the news that will genuinely help us gain more. Don't forget to follow the instructions step by step, and then we may begin. So, the crash of the crypto market does not indicate that regulation is no longer required. Bank of England guarantees. The Bank of England's governor has remarked that the currency crisis has had a considerable impact on bank credit currencies and stablecoins during a Tuesday press conference. According to Andrew Bailey, efforts are being made on both the national and international level to regulate digital assets like cryptocurrency. Adding, bank crypto has no fundamental value, in my opinion. It's not that it has no value, it just doesn't have any inherent value. Bailey urged people to be aware of the risks they are taking by investing in banks. Stablecoins, on the other hand, were more of a means to an end than an investment in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. It's fair to think of ethically sound practices as a form of compensation. As a result, we were able to see all of this data. Consider the UXC. It puts up a great fight, but it has some ridiculous lunatics. 309%. CoinMarketCap data shows that the collapsed currencies used to see in a terrorist lunar classic lead the cryptocurrency market with large gains in the last 7 days, with a 309% uptick in price. Also, trading at a 12.6 during the price period, Luna Classic's price has risen 666% in the last week. Is there any other information we can get on how these coins are going to perform? For example, the price of a UXC coin was as low as 2.3 cents 7 days ago. Today, it is worth 6.5 cents after a 300% price increase, from 233 million to 633 million in the same time span. The coin's market capitalization grew in the same way. 7 days earlier, the coin was trading at a 76 dishes, but it was trading at a 12.5 at the time of this writing, representing a 66% increase in value. However, UXC in the Lunar Classic saw its price rise by 10%, while other cryptocurrencies were hit by bears. In addition, the UXC coin's grade was raised early due to an increase in purchasing pressure. The market's relative strength index, RSI, stands at 55.59 at this point in time. The end of the 6,578-year marked the end of the money flow index. The RSI was seen at 909 in price upsurge. Either or both currencies have grown enormously in the last 7 days, interestingly for a conventional big distribution. As the price of the UXC currency continued to rise, the on-chain research suggested something different. Conversely, there was a gradual fall in the number of daily active addresses that transacted the coin over a 7-day period, according to sentiment data. As of the time of publication, this had fallen by 59% from its peak of $1,381, reached on June 29. As a result, on a social level, the UXC has slipped. The last 5 days saw a 130% drop in social dominance for 24% of the population. On the other side of the coin, social decline decreased by 91% during the same time period. That's all there is to it. At the very least, we've stumbled into a disaster that's also a classic. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe, look around, and spread the word about the X1 and KISS.